Hello friends, if you are also suffering from fever which is coming again and again after taking medicines also. After taking medicine, it is going for few hours but it's again coming back. If this is the situation with you guys, then you can try, or I must say you should go for this Jari Booty. In Indian terms, it is an Ayurvedic treatment for a mild typhoid kind of fever, and nowadays related to coronavirus also, because coronavirus is also related to respiratory disorders. And these are called Hedge seeds, are also very much beneficial in respiratory related issues. These seeds are already tested by us because we were suffering from fever which was coming again and again after taking medicines also. Then one of our relatives had suggested us to try this Khoobkala. In Hindi we called Khubkala. So we tried it and we took it in morning and in night, and in few days we got rid of our fever. Generally, these kind of fevers which come back again and again after taking medicines also are the fevers which got inserted into our bones and our muscles. So to remove fever completely from our muscles and from our bones, we can use these hedge seeds to destroy the complete fever from our body. Let me explain you the process how we can use these hedge seeds to remove completely fever from our body. These are the hedge seeds. These generally look like the mustard seeds. These seeds are in light brown color. You have to heat this seed and then boil them with 1 glass of milk. You have to boil that 1 glass of milk till that time when this milk will become half of the glass from 1 glass. You have to boil this milk with this hedge seeds. We will heat a pan and we will add 1 spoon hedge seeds in that pan. One thing I want to let you know guys, that these hedge seeds are very hot in nature. So you should take in less quantity if you are suffering from high BP. If you are in normal condition, then you can take it 1 spoon in morning and in night. Otherwise, you have to take half of the spoon or more less than that in the morning only. So we will take a pan, heat it up, and we will add this Khoobkala 1 spoon in that pan. Please keep in mind guys that whenever you will heat up these hedge seeds, at that time it will jump out from your pan. So please take care of your surroundings. You should not keep anything open in surroundings like milk, vegetables, curries, etc. Otherwise it will go jump into those items. So you can see I have added 1 spoon of hedge seeds in the pan and it starts giving you some tickling sound. I have added that on a low flame and it is behaving the same way your mustard seeds behave. I will use a spoon to move the rest of the hedge seeds which are in center, so that every hedge seed will get heat up. Once it will heat up completely, I will add my milk inside it. The milk will get boiled. After that also I will keep the gas on. You can see that on the gas what I was telling you guys, it will jump out. Now I will add the milk and I will let it boil till the time milk quantity will go to half. So now you can see that my glass milk has become to half quantity. You can give it to the person who is suffering from the fever which is coming again and again to the person. You will definitely get solution of your problem related to fever. As we all want to avoid to go to the hospital and the doctors in this pandemic, so we thought we should share this trick, this recipe and this jari booty with you guys, because at this time we should share whatever good information we are having, whatever remedies we are having with us. So you guys should surely try this. These hedge seeds are very easily available on online. If you want to purchase it from online, you can purchase it from the link given below in the description box. It comes of around 100 rupees for 100 gram. plus delivery charge 50 or 60 rupees. So approximately it will cost you around 150 rupees. And if you want, you can get it from the nearby store. There you will get some at some lower price. And if you guys find this video useful, so you can share this video to the other people also, so that it will be helpful for them also. If you like our video, please subscribe to our channel, share it, like it, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thanks for watching. Let's meet again with another useful